An analysis of the plantation child's lullaby. I find that this poem, The Plantation Child's Lullaby, can be taken both literally and metaphorically. Literally, Dunbar is expressing memories of being a plantation child during the Restoration era. It is pretty straightforward and easily understandable and is basically like a description of his surroundings through his eyes or through the eyes of a black man. Like I said, he wrote during the popularity of the plantation tradition, where white poets and writers romanticize the situation and relationship between African Americans and Americans. Metaphorically, I think Dunbar is trying to shed light upon the oppression that they experienced through the years. When you look at the poem, the first thing you notice is his style of writing. He uses African American vernacular English, a style developed by the black community while learning the language. He wrote in this dialect because the majority of his readers were whites who demanded works exploiting the language and lifestyle stereotypes of the black Americans. The rhyme scheme he employs is very confusing. He follows a particular style for a while and then changes it up a bit, which mainly consists of alternate end rhymes. This poem is made up of 5 stanzas consisting of 8 lines each and has an alternating syllable count, with each line having a syllable count of 5, 6, 5, 6, and so on. Moving on to figures of speech, you see that Dunbar uses imagery all throughout his poem. This could be because he wants the reader to understand the poetry through his eyes, because, like I've mentioned before, his readers comprised of whites who lived completely different lives from the black Americans. He also uses metaphor to compare the whites with the cold winter and the blacks with the homely or warm cabin, signifying the large gap they felt between them. The major theme portrayed in this poem is one of the oppression felt by the black community in a white world. They feel controlled and like there is nothing that they can do to change their situation.